Welcome to Common Adjectives about Sound. In this lesson, we will learn 4 important adjectives that describe sounds and noise levels. These words are loud, quiet, noisy, and silent. These adjectives are very useful in everyday English conversations. Let's learn what each one means and how to use them correctly. The first adjective is loud. Loud means making or producing a lot of noise. It describes something with high volume or strong sound intensity. When something is loud, you can hear it clearly from a distance. For example, the music at a concert was very loud. Another example, she spoke in a loud voice so everyone could hear her. And one more, the alarm clock makes a loud noise every morning. The second adjective is quiet. Quiet means making little or no noise. It describes something with low volume or minimal sound. Quiet is the opposite of loud. For example, please be quiet in the library. Another example, the morning was quiet and peaceful. And one more, she spoke in a quiet voice during the meeting. When something is quiet, you need to listen carefully to hear it. The third adjective is noisy. Noisy means filled with or producing a lot of unwanted or annoying sounds. Unlike loud, noisy has a negative meaning. It describes sounds that disturb or bother people. For example, the construction site was very noisy throughout the day. Another example, it is hard to study in the noisy cafeteria. And one more, the noisy neighbors kept us awake all night. Noisy is used when the sounds are disturbing or unpleasant. The fourth adjective is silent. Silent means completely quiet. It describes the absence of all sound or noise. Silent is the strongest opposite of loud. For example, the room went silent when the teacher entered. Another example, he remained silent during the entire conversation. And one more, the silent night was peaceful and calm. Silent emphasizes total quietness with no sound at all. Now let's compare these 4 adjectives. Loud and noisy are different. Loud describes the volume level of sound, while noisy describes unwanted or annoying sounds. Quiet and silent are also different. Quiet means low volume with some sound possible, while silent means absolutely no sound. Loud and noisy are often used together to describe unpleasant sounds. Quiet and silent are often used together to describe pleasant or peaceful conditions. Now let's learn common phrases with these adjectives. You can say loud enough to do something. For example, the alarm was loud enough to wake the entire neighborhood. You can say speak or laugh loudly. For example, he spoke loudly so everyone could hear him in the back. You can say keep silent or stay silent. For example, she decided to keep silent about the incident. And you can say peaceful and quiet together. For example, we spent a peaceful and quiet afternoon reading. Let's practice with real-world examples. In the classroom, students were asked to keep the room quiet during the exam. At home, the neighbors were playing loud music until midnight. In nature, the forest was silent except for the sound of birds. In conversations, he did not like the noisy atmosphere of the busy restaurant. These examples show how we use these sound adjectives in daily life. Remember, loud describes volume, noisy describes disturbing sounds, quiet means low volume, and silent means no sound at all.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.